In the last video, we had a look at number lines and we started to get a sense of how we can use them. And we've also had a look at making to 10 using suites. In this video, we're going to be developing both of these concepts. And I'm going to show you how you can use number lines to help support this process. Let's have a look. As you can see here, I've got another number line without any numbers on it. And I want to use, the range I'm going to use for this is 0 to 20. So we're going to jump up in twos this time instead of ones. So I'm going to start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, even though we don't have all the numbers in between, the numbers in between will go exactly in the middle. If I wanted to put the 9, it goes right between the 8 and the 10. The first problem that we're going to look at is one that we've looked at before. It was 6 plus 6 equals. Our first step is to find our starting point, which was 6, which is just here. Then we're going to break our other 6 into however many we need to get up to 10, which is 4. Plus 4. And the other part of that 6 would be plus 2. So if I was going to write my number sentence, it would look like this. 6 plus 4 plus 2. The 6 and the 4 make up 10, and then we just have to add 2 more, 11, 12. And that takes us to 12 on our number line. So we know our answer to that is 12. We're going to start with our number line here. As you can see, I've got 0 to 20 again, counting up in twos. This time our problem will be 9 plus 8 equals. Our first step is to find our starting point, and 9 is going to be right in between our 8 and the 10. So that's our starting point just here. And we're going to add 8. So we can see that there's one more. It's going to be a jump of 1 to 10. And then the other part of 8 is 7. So that's going to take us up till 17 plus 7. If I was to write that in a number sentence, it would look like this. This is the part that's going to add up to 10, and then we've just got to add 7. So it goes 9, 10, plus 7, 17. Let's have a look at one last example. In this example, the problem we're going to solve is 4 plus 8. So I'll have 4 plus 8 equals. First step, find the number 4. That's our starting point. And we're going to break our 8 into the two parts. We need 6 more to get to 10. And the other part of the 8 would be 2. Which will give us an answer of 12. If we were to write our number sentence, it would look like this. 4 plus 6 plus 2 equals 12. And both of those equal 12. Okay, so what have we learned here? If we're adding numbers that are going to go beyond 10, we can split the second number into the two parts. One part that will make it up to 10 and then whatever's left over. The more we practice it, the better we're going to get at it. So go ahead and try the activity and make sure that you can understand and do this with ease. And this skill is going to really help us with our mental addition. Good luck. See you in the next one.